What's poppin', y'all? It's me, Tyra J, coming back with another one. And today I am giving you guys a DIY tutorial. What are we making, you may ask? We are making lip exfoliating scrub. But you know what? You can use it for your hands. You can use it for your feet. The oils in it are just perfect. Like when I say I put it on my hands, and literally that was like 3 hours ago, and my hands are still glowing and still shiny. It's just like perfect. And my feet as well. I used the same scrub that I had left over and rubbed it on my hands and my feet, and it's just been the best idea ever. So let's go check it out, guys. The materials you will need are your oils, sugar, petroleum jelly, honey, a bowl and a spoon, finishing containers, and lip gloss. Now, grab your sugar and put as much as you can in there that will cover the bottom of the bowl. I just grabbed a big chunk just because I know it was huge, and I could just chop it up as much as I can and fill the bowl up. Next, you are to grab your petroleum jelly and get a nice chunk of the jelly out of the jar and drop it into the bowl. It is a little hard to do, so just scrape it off with your finger. That's good enough. It will get into the bowl as you mixing things together. Then grab your oils. I have peppermint oil and flaxseed oil. That is my favorite, so I pretty much use them for everything. And flaxseed is good for your skin and your hair and your nails too, so it's kind of like a 2 for 2 kind of thing. Yay us. I am also adding honey inside of here just for the sweetness. That kind of goes with the sugar, but it still gives you that honey scent and honey flavor to it as well. The flaxseed is what changes the color just a tad bit. It goes from white to like a yellow. That is okay. And then you begin to mix it all together as such. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up until your sugar begins to dissolve with your oils. You don't want it to all the way dissolve and become liquidy, but just chump it as tiny as possible and smooth as possible, so when you rub it on your lips, you're not pulling out huge chunks of sugar outside of your little mason jars. As you can see, I did add some more oil into the bowl to mix it up a little bit more, but that's definitely optional. Get your mason jars now and begin to scrape little by little into the jar until it is full. I did fill up both of my jars and had just a little bit left over, and that stuff is what I use for the scrub that I made yesterday, just to make sure it came out perfectly. So I'm just going to fill that jar up afterwards and then use the rest of the scrub for my hands and feet to exfoliate that as well. And hours later, I have used these products and my hands and feet are still smooth. So that is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The easiest way to make lip, body, and hand scrub. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this with everyone. I'm out, guys. Peace.